Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Caspin Resources Managing Director Greg Miles. Greg, thanks so much for being here today.
Pleasure as always, Tylah.
Sorry, Caspin has just started a Phase 1 drilling program at the Weethalle Gold Project in New South Wales. Talk us through this program and what you've got planned.
Yes, Tylah, really exciting RC drilling program. We've just recently taken an option on the Weethalle Gold Project, which comprises a really interesting large-scale IP anomaly that's induced polarisation. It measures chargeability, particularly in sulphides. We think this is a great pathfinder for gold mineralisation, so really excited to be out there drilling as we speak.
So what do you already know about the project and what potential do you see?
Well, the potential really comes down to two things. It's scale and grade. So scale, as I've just mentioned, it's a large-scale IP anomaly. It stretches over 2 kilometres, so a very big area. Coincident geochem anomaly to go with that. And in terms of grade, there has been some historical mining in the area. The Weethalle workings are only a short stone throw away from that. And there was historical mining back in the 1930s of up to 5 ounces per tonne. And for those that aren't familiar with ounces, so that's about the equivalent of about 155 grams per tonne gold. So very high grade, which gets us excited. But I think the other aspect to potential is the fact that this area hasn't had any exploration for decades. Quite extraordinary, considering we're right in the heart of New South Wales, a major gold producing province of Australia.
So when can we expect some results?
Drilling will go on for another week or so, and then results are probably 2 to 4 weeks after that. But I guess what we're really turning to now is what's phase 2. We're doing phase 1 at the moment. What's phase 2? And I guess what we've recognised since getting on the ground is that there's a lot more opportunities in the project area than just this IP and soil anomaly. And so we're currently working up those targets, and we'll complete that program, the phase 2 part of the program, either side of Christmas. So still quite a bit to happen yet.
And your tin project is just a stone's throw away. How does Weethalle tie into Bygoo?
The reason we were first interested in Weethalle is because we're working at the Bygoo project. It's only 30 kilometres south of Weethalle. And I guess we've built quite a decent knowledge base on the geology of this area. And I guess we saw geological similarities to the mineralisation that we see at Bygoo. So in other parts of the world, you actually see gold and tin tungsten systems occurring in the same belt. And so we see this stretch of land between Weethalle and Bygoo as something very similar. So we've got the knowledge and expertise now, having worked in this region, and we can apply not only our operational capabilities, but our expertise in this region to a new project. So that's a great opportunity for us and very exciting.
And what else can we expect from the company in the months ahead?
Bygoo is still in the pipeline. We're building up a drill program there. We just recently announced our maiden tin resource at Bygoo, which is very exciting. But there's still really good opportunities for expanding that resource. And so that program will occur over the summer months. There's some network that's underway as well. Look, I think the opportunity for investors is the fact that Bygoo essentially represents the value of the company. And so everything else that we do at Weethalle is a bonus. It's a free swing on what I think is one of the best greenfield gold projects in the country.
Definitely a great position to be.
Absolutely.
Thanks for your time today, Greg.
Thanks, Tylah.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.